Come here! I got this Florious Burst! Prototype magic shield. Surprise! Now, Colin, please, I'm sure we can talk about this. Yes, because only I know how this is going to end. Freeze blast! What the? Whoa! What could have caused that? Whew, I say. Are you three all right?
Oh, what's cooking, good looking?
What? Marshall? Is that you? Marshall would be a swell name, but I am King Blizzard III, seventh son of the noble Blizzard royal family. And these two are my best friends and companions. Howdy doing there, newcomers. I am Sir Frostbite, leader of the Knights of Wisteria.
And I am Lady Moonbeam, mistress and servant of King Blizzard III.
And we would like to welcome you all to our precious little kingdom, Snow Village.
Nice to meet you all. I'm Amber. That is my brother Jason and our friend Professor Flug.
Incredible! This is absolutely incredible!
It's incredible that we have a handsome-looking king.
No, Amber. What I mean is that the crown on his head is actually somehow connected to the Eternal Crystal, which can mean it is the Eternal Crystal. Oh, if you say so, dear Professor, then I'd be more than happy to give you my crown. Wow, you're pretty generous. Now hold on a minute. If you want the king's crown, you have to help us with something first.
Yeah, it's kind of important. Go on ahead and tell them, Your Highness.
Of course, my lady. Now you see, the thing is, we have been dealing with some neighbor troubles recently.
Oh no, what kind of neighbor troubles?
It has something to do with Madame Lollipop, the ruler of the Candy Kingdom. She's been trying to destroy our precious little village since we could even remember. Oh, come on, dude. This isn't like a Legend of Zelda game.
That sicko. I'm gonna make her pay. I will bury her in the deepest pits of hell one way or another.
And since you seem all nice people, I figured that if you help me deal with the evil Candy Queen, I will give you my crown. Kids, you can go on ahead. I'm just gonna work on a device that'll give us the ability to teleport and travel to more new dimensions because I have some kind of sugar crazy addiction to candy. Well, alright, Professor.
We won't fail you, King Blizzard III.
You have my word, dear travelers. Now then, let's go take down that evildoer. Many hours of walking later.
Forbidden temptation. Who dares enter the lair of Madame Lollipop? I do, you cursed fiend.
By the way, your doors were literally made of candy.
Why, of course they were. After all, I am the ruler of the Candy Kingdom after all. But now you must be destroyed. Candy Heaven.
No one can resist the sweet aroma of all sugar and sweets.
Ha! What is this? Your little aroma spell won't work on me, Madame Lollipop, because I have a sweet tooth. Funny story, I actually got it when I was eating one of those delicious blueberry muffins back in my world. But now it's time for you to pay. Double Rainbow Fist! That's the way the cookie crumbles.
You just got lucky, that's all. Congratulations, dear heroes, I saw the whole thing! But I'm mostly impressed with you, Amber. You were very brave. And just like I promised, the crown is all yours.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yeah, it was no prob. Really. Good, because...
Blitzy? Is everything okay?
No, dear Amber. Something is wrong. Amber, help me! King Blizzard the Third? Oh my god. Guys! Guys! Huh, there you guys are. Guess what? Behold! The Dimension Remote! With this device, and with enough magic energy, we'll be able to be determined to travel to the next dimension one way lickety-split. Guys, what exactly happened while I was... Oh, shit. What happened? Professor Maylin? Well, this is unexpected. I don't believe it. I'm free! Oh, this is lovely. Oh, to whom do I owe the pleasure to from freeing me from that horrible curse? That would be me? Why, thank you so much, little one. Thank you for freeing me from the terrible curse that King Blizzard III put on me. Now I can go back to doing my job of serving the people of this wonderful kingdom. I hope to see you all again soon. King Blizzard curse? What? Of course. Now it all makes sense. King Blizzard III must have casted a curse on Professor Maylin into becoming Lady Lollipop. And I guess once we have taken the crown away from him, it must have broken the curse. But also killing Blizzard III in the process. Huh. I guess you're right, Professor Flug. Yeah, do you two still have the crown? Yes, sir. Can we please just go before I, start crying? Yes, Amber, absolutely. What happened? I'm terribly sorry, Your Greatness. I almost had the two young Magi folk at my hands, but unfortunately I was stopped by an ice blast. Don't know who it was from, but it could be possible it was from them. Those two are wretched, rotten little pests. Just like their father. Follow them, General. Do not fail me again. You have my word.